What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Brendan Dopp and I teach you everything that you need to know about doing print on demand and selling on the Etsy marketplace. This video will be a little bit different than my previous videos. I will be showing you how much we have made in profit over the past 30 days. So let's go ahead and jump to my computer and we will get started. Here we are in our Shop Manager Etsy dashboard, and you'll see I filtered it for the last 30 days from November 9th to December 8th. We've had a total of 4,474 visits, 111 orders, and then our conversion rate was 2.5%, and total revenue was $4,142.59. This is not the money that we take home. It's not our profit. This is our total revenue, our total sales. Okay, we will now jump into our Printful Dashboard. Printful does an awesome job of keeping track of everything so that you can see the stats of how your shop is doing. So you'll see here it does say 108 total orders. The reason why that number doesn't match our Etsy dashboard is because we had 3 orders that we had to fulfill with a different print provider due to Printful not carrying this color. Our total cost for fulfillment and shipping was $2,832.13. And then our total profit is $1,421.37. And this is our total profit before we subtract our Etsy fees. Now we will go and subtract our total Etsy fees from our total Printful profit. In our Shop Manager under monthly statements, you can see each month they'll break it down for you. You can see that we started in the month of June and it slowly began to grow and get better. You will notice in September and October, those were by far our best months. We sold the most for Halloween. It has been better than our Christmas season sales. You may be wondering why the fees were so high in October and September. The reason for that is because we did experiment with Etsy ads. However, the return wasn't as good as we hoped. Most of our sales came from just our SEO and our ranking. But that is why the fees were so high. We will first want to subtract the fees of the first 8 days of November from the total November fees since we're doing the past 30 days. So our total November fees were $262.41. minus the 8 days of fees in the beginning of November, which we calculated beforehand, which was $97.74, which leaves us with a grand total of $164.67 for our November fees from November 9th to November 30th. Now we will want to add our total November fees to our total December fees. Our total December fees so far have been $79.38, and that is for the first 8 days of December since it is the 8th today. So we'll take our total November fees, which was $164.67, plus our total December fees, which was $79.38, equals $244.05 for our total fees from November 9th to December 8th. Now we will go and subtract our total fees from the past 30 days from our total Printful profit. Again, our total Printful profit was $1,421.37 minus $244.05 equals a profit of $1,177.32. This has been such an awesome side hustle for us. Being able to make an extra $1,000 a month has helped us so much with our financial situation. If you're a stay-at-home mom, or if you're in college, or you're wanting to work remotely, this is the perfect opportunity for you. The purpose of this video was to be 100% transparent and so that you could see what is possible doing print on demand and selling on the Etsy marketplace. We hope this video can encourage you to take action, or if you are already doing it, to stick with it even if you have low days, to not give up, and to know that it is possible. I do not have any background in business or marketing. I've just taken the time to learn what I need to learn to have success. Be sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that you can continue to learn how to effectively grow your Etsy shop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.